This is basically the gym for the piano. If piano is a sport, you are building your muscles in the gym. If you don't have muscles to play the sport, you're not going to play the sport well. So that's what we're doing here. So this is HANON number 1. This is one of the best exercises you can start out with, playing with the metronome. So as you're playing with the metronome and counting with the metronome, you are ready to work on other pieces with metronome, and you will have complete, consistent rhythm throughout. Okay? So accuracy is one thing, accuracy in the notes, and accuracy to the rhythm. They all have to come together. So let's start out this drill here. Now I will give you a brief introduction on how to play HANON number 1. You will have C, D, E, F, G, right? You're gonna move C, all 2, 3, 4, 5. You're gonna move them up 1. So it goes C, E, F, G, A, come down, F, E, D. This is the start of a new pattern. It's gonna go D, F, G, A, B, A, G, F, E. You're gonna start a new pattern. That's all it is. And you keep going. G, F, skip. D, D, C, B, A, G, skip. Now that you get this pattern, we're gonna turn on the metronome. I have it set to 72 right now. We're gonna play 1 note per tick. So we're gonna go 3, 4, count us in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, One, two, three, four. 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 Firmly. 2, 3, 4. Press each key down. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Don't lose steam. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. It's coming down now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Press each key. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Almost there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Almost there. 1, 2, 3. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Keep counting. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Curve your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Almost there. Here we go. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Blend, and you're done. Hold it, and then hands on your lap. That's one. Okay? You do that 1 to 5 times a day. And once you find that you have no problems just like that, you speed it up. So the next level, one, two, three, 4. 1, 2, 112. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Press it down. Press all the keys down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 coming down. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3. Keep counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Press it down. Each key firm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. Here we go. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off. And hands on your lap. Okay. So 112 is the pretty okay, is a pretty good speed to have. You want to be able to up this to the next challenging one. Maybe it's 132. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And eventually, we're going to graduate you to counting in subdivisions of eighth notes. So we were probably doing quarter notes to each tick there, right? 1, 2, tick, 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 right? We're going to count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And that comes next. So with HANON, we can do so many things with this. We're going to be able to do all kinds of exercises where we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, playing different loud. Right hand, left hand. Okay, so we're going to be able to do all kinds of fun exercises. If you know how to work HANON, you know how to work on other things using this exercise, okay? This is basically the gym for the piano. If piano is a sport, you are building your muscles in the gym. If you don't have muscles to play the sport, you're not going to play the sport well. So that's what we're doing here, okay? If you feel comfortable with what you've done in this chapter so far, move on to the next video where we go into scales.